Hi everyone, and welcome again to another episode of Techie and Cyber Aware. Today we want to set up our home lab. This is going to take a few minutes because we are using pre-installed Kali Linux images. And how to go about that, the first thing we're going to have to do is to launch our browser. We would simply search for Kali Linux download, and we want to click on the link that is from the official site. So now we'll click on the Get Kali link. We'll select from the pre-installed images relative to the virtual environment we're using. And in this case, our virtual environment is VMware. Now that our download is complete, we're going to click on Open a Virtual Machine, navigate to the directory where the VM has been downloaded into. Would select the virtual machine image we already downloaded and would wait for it to fully load into our VMware environment. Now it's fully loaded. The next thing to do is to power on the virtual machine. So we're going to select the power on the virtual machine option, which is just right here. And once we click on that, would wait for it to fully load. But because we are using a pre-configured Kali Linux image, we have a default username and password, which in this case is Kali. But remember, this is not the best practice, but this is for a situation where you want to quickly launch a sandbox or a lab environment for a quick work. You can stay tuned on my next video where I would be doing a deep dive on how to configure your own Kali Linux installation and put recommended settings. That way you have full control of your system and you need not worry about so much. And now our Kali Linux is launched. Thank you so very much and stay tuned to the next episode. Cheers.